Now students, let me discuss A3 from page 35. The question is, write true T for true and F for false statements. Rewrite the false statements correctly. Now, let us look at the first question. Ramesh was 13 years old. Now look at the book. क्या लिखा है? रमेश was 11 years old. Ramesh was 11 years old. So the statement Ramesh was 13 years old is false. So you have to write F. F means false. Now what is the mistake? 13. So you have to write Ramesh was 11 years old. यानी हमको ट्रू और फॉल्स भी लिखना है और जो गलती है उसे सुधार के लिखना है. 13 के जगह 11 लिखा. In the same manner all other things will be done. Ramesh always threw the garbage in the dustbin. Now dustbin is the wrong word, so this will become false. False के लिए हम लिखेंगे F. Now the real answer is Ramesh always threw the garbage into the river. The place where garbage was thrown became dirty. Now this is a true sentence, तो हम लिखेंगे T. And we will not write anything here. यहाँ कुछ भी नहीं लिखना है because sentence पूरा correct है. Ramesh saw a woman. Ramesh saw a woman wearing a silver crown coming out of the river. Now this is a wrong sentence. Look what is written in the book. He saw someone wearing a golden crown coming out of the river. So our answer will be false. We will write F. Now the real answer will be Ramesh saw a man wearing a golden crown coming out of the river. Two places, there were two words wrongly written. Woman के जगह man, silver के जगह golden. The person who came out of the river was very happy. अभी God of water तो happy नहीं था, वो sad था. That is why our answer will be false. और इसी सेंटेंस को दोबारा लिखना है, happy के जगह sad लिख के. The person who came out of the river was very sad. The water of the river had become dirty because of a factory. फैक्ट्री के वजह से तो रिवर डर्टी नहीं हुआ था. सो दिस विल बी फॉल्स. अब इसके जगह दिस इज़ द रॉन्ग वर्ड, इसके जगह गार्बेज होना चाहिए. सो वी विल री राइट द सेंटेंस. हम सेंटेंस को फिर से लिखेंगे. द वाटर ऑफ द रिवर हैड बिकम डर्टी बिकॉज ऑफ गार्बेज. The last one, the teacher advised Ramesh to throw the garbage into the river. This statement is false, so we will write false. F. Into the river नहीं, into a compost pit होना चाहिए. The teacher advised Ramesh to throw the garbage into a compost pit.